How to set gaming motion smoothness refresh rate to 120 Hz or 60 Hz on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, scroll down and click on game booster settings. After click on game booster settings, scroll down and click on gaming motion smoothness. You will see click on gaming motion smoothness. So if you want to set gaming motion smoothness refresh rate to 120 Hz or 60 Hz. So if you want to set 60 Hz, so click on 60 Hz. So if you want to set 120 Hz, so click on 120 Hz. So you will select 60 Hz and 120 Hz from here. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set gaming motion smoothness refresh rate to 120 Hz or 60 Hz on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.